YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. So we are staying in Seattle before our princess cruise to Alaska and Canada. So I wanted to show you guys my room. We are staying at the Westin downtown in downtown Seattle. So let me show you guys around. Okay, so as you come in, here is the door. You come in and there is a closet right here. And it has a safe and, you know, closet things. And here is the bathroom. Obviously a toilet, sink, and the lighting is really nice. And then a shower. And then bonus points because this place has a full-length mirror. Oh, hey Jamie, what's up? And then you come in here. And you also have another floor-length mirror, which girls, we love, so awesome. And then there is a sitting area right here with a desk over here and the TV, which is a quite large TV. And then we have the king bed right here with two desks over here with plenty of plugs and all sorts of things like that. And then obviously the view. So we have a view of downtown Seattle, which is gorgeous, and let me see if I can pan over here. We can see a little bit of the water. Do you guys see that over there? So we have a pretty
Puget Sound.
Jamie says it's Puget Sound, so there you go. Geography for you guys. But yeah, so here is the view. It's really, really gorgeous. Okay guys, something that I love about this hotel is that they are really, really considerate about stuff. So they have this little Sleep Well lavender balm, and I guess it's some type of like balm that you can put on your wrist or maybe like your forehead or something to sleep well. And then if you go into the bathroom, they have this. Sorry, it's a little difficult to read, but basically this is where they will bring you workout clothes so you can work out if you forgot, for $5, which is pretty awesome. And then for those people that wear makeup, here is an alcohol-free moisturizes, conditions, towelette, whatever. But I think this is awesome. You don't usually see this type of stuff in hotels, so really, really cool because sometimes you just forget these little things, and it's the little things that really, really count. So I've actually stayed here before and I really, really enjoyed my stay. So I can already tell you guys that this is a really awesome stay. But after we've stayed, I will definitely give you guys a rating of how I feel, because you guys know how I do on this channel and I'm always honest. But on first impression, it's really beautiful. What do you think, Jamie?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, I'll update you guys after we finish our stay. Okay guys, so this is future Carson coming back to talk to you guys about this hotel, and I'm wearing the same shirt because I feel like it was like very, very convenient to be able to like basically wear the same outfit that I was wearing the first time I talked to you guys in this video, because I completely forgot to close this video out and give you guys my rating on this hotel, how I felt about it, and that's very unlike me. I'm usually pretty good about my hotel stuff, but alas, I'm here, and I am here to talk to you guys about how I liked the Westin in Seattle, Washington. So like I said in the video, I did stay here my previous time we were in Washington before our cruise, and it was great both times. The bed is very, very comfortable. They're very accommodating and nice people that work there. I really have no issues. There's also a coffee shop downstairs, which is really nice, especially if you just like want that morning coffee or something like that. However, the elevators were super annoying, I'm not gonna lie. They require you to put your card up to it to scan it to make sure that you're a resident or staying at the hotel, which I totally understand, but half the time it didn't work. So half the time we were trying to like scan our card in, wasn't working, and there was just a bunch of people staying, so it was a little complicated trying to figure out whose card was gonna work this time. So that was a little annoying, but honestly not the end of the world. We got to where we needed to go. Just something that I suggest for them as a hotel to work on to make it easier for their guests to get into the elevator. It's also in a really, really great location. It's like maybe 5 blocks from Pike Place Market, which is like really popular to see. It was a less than a mile walk to the Space Needle, so it's really awesome if you've never been to Seattle before, so that way you can be close to the places that you're probably going to want to see as a tourist, as a sightseer. There's just a lot of stuff nearby, a lot of shops, and it is a quick taxi ride to the cruise terminal if you are going on a cruise. So as far as what I would rate this place, I would probably give it a 4 out of 5 stars, only because there isn't anything that really like stands out about this hotel. It's really nice, it was clean, it was great, but like there's nothing that gives it that 5-star feeling, if that makes sense. Like a 5-star is like out of this world, loved it, amazing. For me personally, it was a 4-star because it was clean. I would stay there again. I liked it. It was in a great location. It just didn't like wow me or like blow me out of the water or anything like that. But that doesn't mean it was bad by any means. 4 stars is a great rating. I suggest to stay there. It was beautiful and you would have an excellent stay if you guys stayed there. Anyway, there will be a lot more Alaskan videos and tons of other stuff coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and happy travels!